Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate waffles. Also, thank you guys for helping me reach 89 subs. We are only 11 more from hitting 100. With that being said, let's start cooking. First, add a cup of flour to a bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then 2 teaspoons of baking powder. For the chocolate, add 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. And make sure to whisk all your dry ingredients. Once you are done whisking your dry ingredients, add 1 egg to the bowl. Next, add a whole cup of milk. However, I only added 3/4, so that's why it looks a little dry. Once again, mix in your current ingredients in the bowl. Now remember when I said I only added 3/4 a cup of milk? Yeah, this is what I meant. To make it look more like a batter and less of a dough, add 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Now, after mixing, it should look like a batter consistency. However, that was not the case for me. So, because I only added 3/4 cup of milk, I decided to add another 1/4 cup. After mixing that in for a bit, I found that it easily solved my solution, and you can tell because when you hold the whisk up, the batter drips down. Time to cook. Now, open up a waffle iron and start by brushing vegetable oil on the waffle iron so that the batter does not stick. If you don't have vegetable oil, just use cooking spray. Once you've oiled the waffle iron up, plug it in and wait until it's hot enough to cook. Once it is, start by adding 2 scoops of your waffle batter to one side of the waffle iron. If the batter doesn't exactly cover the entire circumference of the waffle iron, then just use your scoop to kind of spread it out. Then close the waffle iron and let it cook for 1 minute or until an indicator starts blinking. Once the waffle iron has finished cooking, open it up and transfer it to a rack with 2 forks. For decoration, begin by splitting the waffle into different corners and by stacking them horizontally. For toppings, open up a chocolate bar and snap some pieces onto a cutting board. Then, with a sharp knife, begin by evenly chopping up the chocolate into very small pieces that we can sprinkle onto our waffles. Next, take some powdered sugar and start by coating it on top of the waffles. Then, sprinkle on some of your chopped chocolate. Finally, garnish with strawberries or blueberries. Hey guys, so I'm here with my waffles, as you can see. Smell pretty good, by the way. And yeah, I believe I went all out on this presentation this time, but let's see how the waffles actually taste. That's good. Solid 9 out of 10. Please smash that subscribe button because I'm trying to hit 100 subs before the summer. Anyways, thanks guys, and thanks for watching my video. See you next time.